Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is the smashed iPhone 11. Screen does work but need to replace it, so I'm going to replace it today. I got a couple of tools. As you can see, this is triangular screwdriver, then obviously the Phillips kind of tweezer and flat tool. Alright, so this is the replacement. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super simple, similar to Access, whatever, X-Max, almost similar. Okay, these are very sensitive. You must need to be careful on a couple of part. I will show you how to do that. So let's start. So first, I'm going to take out the screw with this. And before you do that, make sure you turn it off. That's the main thing. If it doesn't work, yeah, it does turn off. Now take out these two screws. Try again. Yeah, it does work. Fine. Alright, if this is your first time, like for your own phone, then I will show you a little bit of clue how you can get idea to do that. So example, look at the replacement. So this replacement does have the flex in that way. So if this is your first time in your life, make sure you don't pull it out in that way, or in that way, or in that way. It should be from left side to the right side, so like that. Okay. Now take the flat tool. I don't care about it because this is already broken. Otherwise I was going to apply some heat, be more gentle to open it up, but this time I'm not gentle. Okay.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
As you can see the hook, if you don't do a little way, it's not going to come out because there is a kind of prong inside. As you can see here, if you do zoom, okay, so it's not going to come out straight away because of that red thing. Alright, so now we are on the main task. Okay, first we need to remove that, and this one they use kind of triangular screws. Open one by one, keep it organized. I keep it here. Drop them into different side, but all of them same in size. 3 from the top, 1, 2, 3. So let's pull this out, the metal thing, keep it in here, and then first try to disconnect all of them. The phone is off anyway, so first is first, this one. 1, be more gentle, good. And then as you can see, this one goes right in here. That's the one. Okay, this is for the ear speaker. Okay, so the actual screen is disconnected. Okay, now one more thing, still the battery is connected. Now what do you need to do? Open it up just to disconnect the battery in case, you know. Keep it organized. Those are very small in size, but that's why it's very difficult to identify, you know, what is the differences. So this is the actual battery connector. I'm gonna take this off. All right, now we are safe. There are a couple of, you know, component we must need to transfer from this one to the actual one. Okay, and we need to check how many screws goes in here. Keep it one by one each other. Okay, and open up all the screws that you can see. The good point is this metal frame we don't need to take out, because nowadays the replacement does have that one, and it saves a lot of extra job. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. One, two, three of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and at the same time we can see there is one more. Okay, which can hold the metal phone. Okay, very difficult to bring it to the zoom because I'm recording with my phone. Okay, and this one is triangular, so use the triangular screwdriver. So we've taken out 4 screws. Okay, now if this is your first time, you can observe it, you can check which way you must need to take out. As you can see, don't try to pull in that way, it should be other way around, as you can see now. Okay, and there is a kind of metal thing, metal phone. Don't worry about it, we'll put this back, and slowly we must need to take this out. Yeah, it's coming out, as you can see. This one came out with the actual holder, so now it's going to be easy to peel this off if you have to, you know. Okay, again, be very gentle and take this out. Don't play with it, and don't be scared, it's very normal. Okay, whatever is left over, that is filter, we don't need it because our replacement screen comes with that. All right, so it goes in that way. Before we do, peel this off. All right, put it in the place, and let's check it out. Alignment has to be correct. Let's check it out. Seems it's absolutely fine. Let's check. Yep. All right, so now once again the screws. Finally, this is ready to go into the phone. Okay. First connect that one. Make sure it goes inside. Connected. Connect this as well. You don't have a choice. The phone is off anyway. Like this. I don't know why they design like that. The Apple always, they want people not to fix their stuff so they can sell another one and make some money out of it without repairing. Nowadays, if you visit and ask them to repair something, they're gonna say, we're gonna give you a replacement, add some money on the top. Imagine it, without fixing it. Even nowadays with iPhone 12, they don't even supply any charging unit. Imagine it. They call this is kind of ecosystem. What kind of ecosystem this is? People have to buy one more anyway. And if they use the old charger, it's not going to give you right amount of amp, right? So it seems it's connected. Before you put the final screw on, make sure you turn on and check. So the screen is on now. We're going to double check if it's functional properly or not. We're going to try on emergency 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 star hash. Cancel. Seems it's fine. Okay, so we are good to go. So what are you going to do? Again, I like to turn it off. Check the sliding, which is working, and then we'll put that one. All right. So it's ready now, and screen seems functional. As you can see, let's check again. Go to the emergency. Sorry, this is private stuff. Anyway, as everything is functional, that's how you replace the screen for iPhone 11. Okay, the key point is be gentle if this is your first time, because you know, obviously a lot of people, they can get the replacement from Amazon, from eBay, and they want to try it themselves. So if you are not a certified person, take your time, check one by one, and then do it. Be gentle. And one thing, remember, you know, the adhesive on the side, which one kind of a seal for water protection or liquid protection, these are really strong. So if you just want to open it to do something else inside, you have to be more careful. If the screen is completely smashed, and if you don't care about the existing screen, then you can take your time and you can do it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.